Can AI cook better than your grandma? Let's find out. I've got three things: potatoes, onion, and a little fat. That's it. Loading culinary genius. Dish generated, crispy Ukrainian-style garlic chips. Slice the potatoes super thin, like paper, like your excuses. Fry in fat, don't be shy. Add garlic sauce, add salt, add a touch of paprika for drama. Boom, better than a 5-star chef. Or is it? Crispy, golden, epic, in under a minute. Think grandma wins? Comment your best dish below. Like if you'd eat this. Follow for more AI recipes. Powered by AI Chef, your fridge, reimagined.